Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering another frequently asked question on start mass calculator trick. So this question says, how do I graph equations on the T-84 for the start? Well, theoretically saying, when you get the T-84 plus, enter the equations in the y equals menu. You press graph and use seconds, then press trace to find intersection of maximums, minimums, or zeros. But the best thing to do, guys, is to watch this my video on it. Let me show you. When you go to this my playlist, okay, when you come here, navigate down, go to this one. When you see easy steps to 800, no stress, digital start math. So when you open this playlist, we have about 40 something videos. Just take your time to go through. You see the one that addresses specifically how to graph equations to the T-84 plus for SAT. Okay, either in this playlist or this one. When you go through this ACT mass calculator technique playlist, so you will see the same calculator. Okay, so any of them, you will see various videos on how to use the T-84 plus calculator to graph equations. Okay, hope I answered this question for you. Okay, so that's it, guys. I prefer TI-84 plus than Desmos. Okay, it has a lot of features than Desmos. So that's it for this video. I see you in my next video.